Hi, we're here at the AACA Museum in Hershey. We are doing our annual Cars for Critters event, and this year we're benefiting the Castaway Critters organization with a sports car and exotic car show. We have everybody lined up by country of origin. So right here we've got all of our Italian cars. We're just showing you lots of different variations here. We have the Fiat Club from Central PA that came to join us. Lamborghinis, Ferraris. Look at these gorgeous cars. We had a little bit of rain this morning, but the rain got chased away here from our weatherman, Tom Russell.
So like Lamborghini, I think the best.
Yeah. What's not to like, right? Look at this beauty, this bright yellow. Isn't that fabulous? Look at that. It's just fabulous. Maserati. The AACA Museum is going to be doing an exhibit this fall called Amore della Strada, which means for the love of the road in Italian, and it will be starting in mid-November and running through the spring of next year. And it's going to feature all these fabulous Italian cars. So this is sort of a preview. You can see lots of people love these cars. This is a judged event. You have to see some of our judges in these different photos here as well. Move over to our American line here. Lots of American cars. With the death of Prince this week, we decided to do a little red Corvette, encourage red Corvettes to come out. So we're going to be doing a fun photo at 12:30 with that. We've got all kinds of American cars here. We've got quite a few Corvettes looking out. We've also got some furry friends here at this event. Benefits Castaway Critters. Wait. Collecting today called Homeless Animals. So we're big animal lovers. It's a beauty. This looks so one's greater than the next. So we're just so happy that everybody came out today to celebrate automobiles. McLaren here, it's fabulous. The color of the paint on that is just incredible. We even have an Austin Powers cars here.
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry.
I'm doing video, and he will talk to us. Okay, we've got to wait 20 seconds, so we'll see what he has to say to us again.
Smashing baby!
There we go. Fabulous car. So happy everybody came out to support the show. And the sun is out. I'm giving Tom Russell of CBS 21, the weather person there, credit for the sunshine and chasing away the raindrops this morning. So thank you to Tom. He also brought his own new car out here too to show for us as well today. So we appreciate that. Another beautiful Austin Wheelie. Lots and lots of different cars. Got some some American ones. We got some German ones. Viper. Lots of folks out here today helping us celebrate the card collecting hobby and helping castaway critters. Too late now, you're on the video. We've got some really great vendors out here as well today. This is an annual show that we do. 2016 show will be on April 22nd. I'm sorry, 2017 show, April 22nd of 2017. Get some of these great cars here. Lots of Corvettes.
Should I get the other side for his driver?
Got lots of furry friends as well. Get into some Porsches here. Some more furry friends.
Yeah, it sticks on the road like great.
Yeah. Oh, the Porsches. Lots of those came out to support us today. We appreciate that. Some BMWs. Snuck in with the Porsches here. We've also got some fabulous vendors over here. Mid-Atlantic Waterproofing. We have our friends from Susquehanna Service Dogs out here today. We've got some great animal foods. Philly pretzels and baked goods. These look fabulous. Century Roofing. Got some vintage collectible books and cars and models. Gift items. Lots of animal lovers. Some vendors as well. Come check out what they've got. Lots of furry friends too. Thanks to our vendors for their support.
Waitress, you in the kitchen or bathroom?
We got our friends from the Vineyard and Brewery at Hershey here too, doing some sampling here today. So come on out and visit.
Okay, no
Here at
problem.
the ACA Museum in Hershey.